a signal that preceded the strongest volcanic eruption of the modern era. Approximately 15 minutes before the underwater volcano Hunga Tonga, Hunga Hapai erupted in 2022, a seismic wave was detected by monitoring stations located 750 kilometers away. On January 15, 2022, the Hunga Tonga Hunga Hapai volcano in the Tonga archipelago unleashed a powerful eruption, the most intense ever recorded with modern equipment, shaking the South Pacific. A recent study published in Geophysical Research Letters identifies a mysterious signal that occurred just before this catastrophic event. Specifically, two remote monitoring stations in Fiji and Futuna detected Rayleigh waves, a type of seismic wave that travels along Earth's surface, about 15 minutes before the eruption, Science Alert reported on November 18th. Researchers described these waves as a seismic harbinger, triggered by the collapse of a weak section of the oceanic crust beneath the volcano's caldera. This rupture allowed seawater and magma to mix violently between the seafloor and the volcano's magma chamber, culminating in the explosive eruption. Many volcanic eruptions are preceded by seismic activity. However, such seismic signals are typically faint and detected only within a few kilometers of the volcano, said Takuro Horiuchi, lead author of the study and a volcanology researcher at the University of Tokyo. In the case of the Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai eruption, Rayleigh waves rapidly traveled to monitoring stations as far as 750 kilometers away, indicating an unusually large seismic precursor. The volcano had shown signs of awakening with minor tremors in December 2021 and early January 2022, followed by a larger eruption on January 14th. The record-breaking explosion occurred the next day, releasing 10 cubic kilometers of volcanic material and injecting 146 million tons of water vapor into the stratosphere, enough to fill 58,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The blast, equivalent to hundreds of atomic bombs, generated the fastest underwater flows ever recorded. Although Hunga Tonga Hunga Hapai is far from major population centers, the eruption caused significant tsunamis that killed at least 4 people in Tonga and 2 in Peru, some 10,000 kilometers away. Experts warn that future eruptions could be even more devastating. While many underlying triggers of volcanic eruptions remain poorly understood, studies like Horiuchi's provide valuable insights that could save lives. Every minute counts when issuing emergency warnings. Although Rayleigh waves are imperceptible to humans, the ability of distant monitoring stations to detect them highlights their potential as a forecasting tool for future eruptions.